Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, Delightful Creations by Amber. I'm super excited to come on and do our March giveaway winner, announcing it. Here we are. So the winner will receive this lovely doily, the beautiful Bo Bunny paper pad, which is the Boulevard collection, and the fabric of their choice. So remember, the winner does need to leave the comment in the original video for which fabric they would like. And yeah, I'll leave my email in the description so you can email me. We'll go ahead, copy the link from my video, and hop on over to see who wins this lovely journal pack. I'm going to paste that in there. Pasted from YouTube, perfect. Filter my users, grab our comments. We have 13 this month, you guys. That's so exciting. So let's find out who the winner is. Let's start. Yay! Here we go. And the lucky winner is Billy Newfer, not entering, but wanted to wish you a blessed week. Well, thank you so much, Miss Billy. I'll go ahead and I'll push the start button again so we can grab somebody who wants to be entered. Here we go. And the final winner, hopefully, will be Candace Henderson. How fun. This is going to be exciting to watch as a journal is created. I would choose the floral. So needs some color and flowers as we face another winter storm alert. LOL. Thank you. Well, congratulations, Miss Candace. I am super excited to be sending you this floral fabric along with the doily and this paper pad. If you will go ahead and email me your address, I would love to get this in the mail. No pressure. We totally understand the winter storms. We have those here in Wyoming as well. So thank you so much, everyone, for participating, and I really can't wait to share with you in the next video. Have a great day, guys.